Hey y'all, it's me, Slay by Jordan, and the company I'll be working with today is Ishow Hair. Inside your packaging, you will get their information brochure, you'll get lashes, and a wig neck cap. Today, they sent me over some loose deep wave hair, a 20-inch frontal, two 26-inch bundles, and two 28-inch bundles. And this is one of the bundles fresh out the packaging. As you can see, it's super soft. It gave me no shedding, y'all, and I was so surprised being that this is loose deep wave hair, but y'all, it was really some good quality hair. And that frontal, this is one of the best pre-plucked medium brown laces. Like, y'all, it was so good. It wasn't super thick, it was just the right thickness, like the lace wise. Like, it literally just melted right into my best friend's skin. Like, I loved it so much. So I went ahead and made a custom unit, and I did bleach the knots off camera. And now we're using that Ruby Kisses level 13. We're using the darkest shade in there. And we already put it on her cap, and now we're about to put it on the lace. So now I'm just positioning the wig on my client's head. I'm making sure that the hairline of the frontal is in front of the line of the cap. You don't want to glue the hairline of the frontal directly on the edge of the cap. You want to glue it a little bit in front on the skin. That way your frontal can last. So make sure when you're gluing down your laces that you're gluing in front of the cap, not directly on the edge of the cap, because when you sweat, it'll lift and, you know. So make sure you're actually putting glue on the skin as well. And now just cut out the ear tabs, and we're gonna get ready to sew this wig down. Today I'll be using my favorite glue, y'all should already know, Boho Active. I did 4 layers. And make sure you do, little small dots and spread them back real smooth and real even. With lace glue, less is more. When you have a lot of glue and it's so much on the hair, it takes a long time for it to dry, and then sometimes if you don't spread it out, it's clumpy, it still be white. I promise you, less is more. My 4th layer is dry, and like I told y'all in previous videos with Boho Active, don't waste no time. When it's clear, lay that lace down. So now I'm going to lay it down, making sure that I put the hairline of the frontal just a little bit in front of the glue, because you don't want to put the hairline of the frontal behind the glue saw, because when you go to cut the lace off, you're going to have excess glue in the front, and you just don't want that, because it's too much trying to get rid of that excess glue, and it just starts messing up everything. So it's better to put the hairline in front of the glue and cut some of the hairline off when you cut the lace, instead of putting the hairline behind the glue, and then now you have excess glue on your skin. Yeah, it's just not a good look. So yeah, make sure you doing all the proper steps so you can get this slay. And now I'm just going to use the back end of my comb to smooth that lace down into the skin. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer on high heat and start the process of melting that lace in. And once I get done blow drying, I'm going to tie it down with my elastic band. And this is the loose deep wave hair in its natural texture. But today I'm going to blow dry it out and actually one curl it, so it can be a little bit more defined and give the exact look that I want. But if you want to wear it wavy, you can leave it exactly how it was, and you can even wet it down and spray some mousse, and it'll get even more defined. But I wanted to do it my way today. So I'm taking my Super Silk Me, it's a silkening mist. I sprayed that all over the hair, and I'm going to blow dry the hair as straight as I can get it. And then after that, we're going to start to cut that lace off and start figuring out where we want our part at. And now we are done cutting that lace off with the eyebrow razor. And yes, her lace is so lighter than her skin, but trust me, we're gonna fix that in the end. You gotta trust the process. You gotta understand the slay I'm giving you, honey. This just don't happen in 2.5 seconds, honey. You gotta put that work in. But trust me, in the end, girl, you gonna love it. Love it, okay? Now, back to business. So today we're going for a side part. I know y'all probably like, dang, my best friend only gets side parts, but I don't know. Middle parts kind of look weird on her. But yeah, we just decided we're just gonna do another side part today. So I'm going to take my wax stick and my hot comb. We're just going to lay that part in there. And then I'm going to start parting off my baby hairs. I wanted to do some very natural baby hairs today. Not like the last one she had. Now that I look back, I kind of hate those. They was a little too thick for me. I'm trying to get out of doing so many baby hairs. I want to get into more natural hairlines, hairlines without baby hairs. And if they do have them, they're, very thin and just, chilling, not doing too much. But, if I want to do too much, I would let y'all know I'm doing too much. Okay, let me just stop talking. You get the point. Now to fully melt that lace in, you want to take your favorite holding spray or hairspray, whatever you call it, and you want to spray it on that lace, and you want to tie it down with your elastic band. This is going to give you the ultimate meltdown. And now I'm just showing you these luscious 28 inches. And now I'm going to use my hot comb and my wax stick, and we're going to part off a section on the back of the frontal, and we're just going to smooth that over the tracks in the back because this is a custom made. You wouldn't use the frontal in bundles. This is not a full lace wig, so you will need to cover the tracks in the back. As you can see, honey, that hairdo is coming together. So now we just took the elastic band off, and as you can see, that lace is looking so much better, honey. And now we're about to get ready to lay these baby hairs. And now, time to curl this hair. For the curls today, I'll be using my Infinity Pro Conair Rose Gold Titanium 1-inch curling iron. I left my curling one at the shop, so I'm just using what I had. And you see me spray that Beyond the Zone on the curling iron. I just do that because I feel like it makes the my heating tools hotter, and I feel like the hotter, the better. So all I'm gonna do is just twirl the hair around the curling iron like a regular curling one. And then I'm going to hold it in my hand before it drops, and then I'm going to drop it. And after I finish curling the hair, I'm going to take off my wrap strips and show you the baby hairs. Now, this isn't the final product of the baby hairs. This is just fresh after being dried for the mousse. To see a fully detailed tutorial on how I do my baby hairs, go watch my 36-inch wig video where I did the two braids with the crimps. I'll show y'all how I do my soft baby hairs because they won't look like this in the next few clips. And these are the one curls after I finish doing them. As you can see, this hair, girl, look at that. Girl, I ain't even gotta say nothing. Get into it. As you can see, those baby hairs are so much more natural. Like, this just looks like, what they say, wet lace. Period. And those are the one curls again. And now we're just about to style them out. I am going to recurl the front because I want it to look like that little layered swoop look. So I am going to recurl that, and I am going to cut it slightly just to give it the look that I want. And you just style your hair however you want. You can brush it out however many times you want to. Go back and recurl it. Just do whatever you need to do to get the certain look that you want because everyone is different. And I also did add these cute little pink clips in because she had on a pink two-piece set. So I just want, match with that. Just a little something extra. Now in this clip, the right side of her hair is a little bit more defined than the left side. I think I messed the left side up doing something. I think I was combing it too much. So I did go back and sit her down and recurl the left side off camera, but you guys get the picture. Y'all understand. So once again, this is Ishow Hair. This is their loose deep wave 26, 26, 28, 28 with a 20-inch medium brown lace frontal. I went ahead and one curled it off camera and gave y'all this sexy popping look. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe and turn your notification bell. And thank you all for 250K subscribers. Goodbye.